So guys, in the last video I spoke briefly on the JPY pair. I've already spoken about JPY pair. So let me recap the JPY pair. This is the JPY pair. Reason GBP JPY, Great Britain's pounds, Japanese yen. So they said the PIP calculation starts from the second number after the decimal point. The second number after the decimal point. Okay. So now the current market price, this is the current market price. 208.485. So if we want to start our PIP calculation, we will start it from 208 point. Okay, let me type it out because the price are changing, so we just focus on one thing. 208.47. So if 473, and I said the number starts from the second number after the decimal point. So this is decimal point. The second number, this 4 is the first, 7 is the second. This 3 is the pipette. This 3 is the pipette. So we remove it. We are not using it. You understand? The pipette, we don't calculate with the pipette. So now if we want to say the market will move 15 pips forward, what will be the new market price? 15 pips forward, you add. So if we add, it will be plus 15, and our calculation starts from the second number after the decimal place, right? The second number after the decimal place. So the current market price will now be 208.47 plus 15, which is 208.62. It's just simple maths. Then if they say the current market price is 208.47, but market moved 15 pips backwards. It moves 15 pips backwards. So we're going to subtract. It will be minus 15, and the new market price will be 208.32. So we just minus it. It's simple maths. That's how it is. And I've told you guys that we have position tools. We have position tools, right? TradingView has given us position tools, and we can just use the position tool instead of stressing ourselves to calculate that. And the position tool is there to calculate for us already. Now this is the short position tool. So this line shows the price we want to sell from. Short means sell. Okay, so this line is demarcating our target. This is our target, meaning that if market gets here, we will take profits, we will close the trade, it will automatically close. But this is what we are willing to risk, this pink side. So guys, if the market is in our favor, it is already showing us here that the market will move 239 pip from our entry price. This line, if you trace it out, you'll see the price is 209.109 to here to 206.711. It has moved 239 pips. You understand? But if it's against us, it will move 74 pips. So basically, I'm just trying to tell you that the position 2 has calculated for us pips, and it's just for us to point it out. We don't need to come and start calculating manually. Calculating manually is archaic, but you still have to know it. You understand? So let's move to gold. I want to copy this, so if we get to a good chart, I'll just place it here. So okay, one move on gold is 10 pip, and the pip calculation starts from the number before the decimal point. So any number after the decimal point, we don't need it when calculating for gold. We are just focused on the numbers before the decimal point. So now if this 4270, if they say the market moves 10 pips downward, the current market price will be 4260. If it moves 20 pips upward, the current market price will be 4290. It's just there. We don't calculate with the numbers after the decimal point. We're just using whole numbers alone. Do you understand me? We're just using whole numbers alone. And what do I mean by one move on gold is 10 pip? Means that other currency pairs now they move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but gold moves 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Do you understand? Moves 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So one move on a currency pair, on a normal currency pair that is not volatile, the movement of gold is like this because gold is very volatile. You can see the way it's shooting up. It is very volatile. Normal currency pair just move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but gold is moving 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Do you understand? So now we have our position 2 as usual, but now it is quite different. Let's use the long position 2. Let's use the long position 2 now. Let's see, here is where we want to take our entry from, our entry price. As you can see, these numbers are massive. They are extremely massive. So this you cannot tell me that market has moved from here to here 7,000 pips. So because it gold is counting by 10, you have to divide it by 10 to know the actual number of pips gold has moved. So now we divide by 10. So this one that is 7, our target here that is 7257. 7257. We divide it by 10. And it will be the new market price our number of pips will be 725.7, approximately 726 pips. So for market to get to our target, it needs to move 726 pips. Do you understand me? Then for the stop loss area, for our stop area, here is 1,309 pips. Are you telling me from here to here is already given 1,000 pips? No, we divide by 10. Understand? When we divide by 10, the number of pips the market has moved will now be 130 pip to our SL. So our SL, market needs to move 130 times here to stop us. Market needs to move 725 times here to give us money to hit our target, because we are targeting 725 for approximately 726 pips. Do you understand? And this is the same thing that applies on BTC. But let's go to a BTC chart so you can see. Okay, it's already here, sir. So on BTC, one move on BTC is 10 pip, and the pip calculation starts from the number before the decimal point. You can already see that most of them say in whole numbers, but in situation where we have decimal point, we are not using the decimal point, we're just calculating based on the whole numbers. Do you understand? And one move on BTC is also 10 pip, meaning that the market is not moving by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like a normal currency pair. It's moving 10, 20, 30, 40, and this is because it is volatile. The market is volatile. BTC, it means it moves very fast. BTC is very, very volatile. Do you understand me? Then for the position 2, also divided by 10. They said when calculating with the position 2s, either long or short position 2, you divide by 10. So here we have 522. If market, our stop area is 522. So you have to divide it by 10 to know the actual number of steps or movement the market will make to hit our stop loss. Do you understand? So if you divide it by 10, you have 52.2. So the market needs to move 52 times to take us out. Then to hit our target, the market needs to move 223 times, because it's 2237. You divide it by 10 to know our actual target. So when it comes to BTC and gold, when using the position 2, you divide by 10. You understand me? You divide by 10. But for normal JPY pairs, let's go back to a normal pair. Let's use AUD card. AUD card. Okay. This is AUD card. If we use a normal position 2, you see it's normal already. The market needs to move 21 times. The 21 is just there looking at us, then 43 times to hit our target. But for gold and BTC, the numbers are huge because of the way the market moves. So to know the accurate number, we divide by 10. Okay.